In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go over to WhatsApp, and once you've opened up WhatsApp, go ahead and click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then go ahead and scroll to the bottom and go to Settings. And then once you've clicked on that, what you can go ahead and do here is go ahead and click on Account, and then go ahead and click on two-step verification, and then click Enable. And at this point, it's going to ask you for a 6-digit PIN. So what you can go ahead and do is put a 6-digit PIN. Make sure it's something you will go ahead and remember. So I'm going to enter my digit PIN now. And then once you've gone ahead and put it in, it'll ask you to confirm it. The final step is to go ahead and put in your email address. And then once you've gone ahead and put in your email address, you'll get a confirmation that two-step verification is now enabled. And then all you need to go ahead and do is go ahead and click on Done. So once you've gone ahead and clicked on Done, as you can see, it's been enabled, and you can go ahead and disable it if you want to in the future. You can change your PIN or your email address. So that's just about it for this video, guys. If this video did help you in any way, shape or form, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.